Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. This one is an Anthurium peloporium that I got from a Facebook purge, and the shipper also owns AmbersJungles on Etsy, so definitely check her out. Let's get right into it. Alright, definitely well taped. And here we have some insulation. I just want to add that this plant does have extremely long, slender leaves, and so I wasn't quite sure how she was going to package it, but it is very securely rolled up in this paper, as you will see shortly, and she did an excellent job making it. All right, we have lots of polyfill. Gently take that away. And here she is in all her glory. Every leaf looking beautiful. Wonderfully packaged, shipped quickly. I'd give this seller a 10 out of 10. Check out her Etsy page, AmbersJungle.